Are you looking to shed those extra pounds and get in shape? Well, look no further. Introducing the 7 Ways to Lose Weight Fast, your ultimate guide to achieving your weight loss goals in no time. Get ready to embark on a transformative journey towards a healthier, happier you. Let's dive right into it. Number 1. Drinking warm or lukewarm water can have some potential benefits for metabolism. Here are a few ways in which it may positively impact your body's metabolic processes. Improved digestion. Consuming warm water can help stimulate the digestive system and enhance the breakdown and absorption of food. It can promote the secretion of digestive enzymes, facilitating the digestion process and potentially increasing metabolic efficiency. Increased hydration. Staying adequately hydrated is essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Warm water may be more appealing to some people than cold water, encouraging them to drink more and maintain proper hydration levels. Number 2. Drinking tea can potentially aid in weight loss by providing certain benefits. While it's important to note that tea alone is unlikely to cause significant weight loss, it can be a useful addition to a healthy lifestyle that includes regular exercise and a balanced diet. While tea can be a helpful component, it's not a magic solution on its own. Sunlight exposure can indirectly support weight loss. Sunlight exposure on the skin triggers the production of vitamin D, which plays a role in various bodily functions. Some studies have suggested that low levels of vitamin D may be associated with obesity or difficulty losing weight. Sunlight exposure can have a positive impact on mood by increasing the production of serotonin, often referred to as the feel-good hormone. Number 4. Regular exercise can be an effective way to lose weight quickly. However, it's important to remember that sustainable weight loss involves making long-term lifestyle changes, including both exercise and a healthy diet. Choose activities you enjoy. You're more likely to stick with an exercise routine if you actually enjoy the activity. Balanced diet. A balanced diet refers to consuming a variety of foods that provide essential nutrients in the right proportions. It involves incorporating a combination of whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and low-fat dairy products. This approach ensures that your body receives the necessary vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants while limiting excessive calorie intake. Number 6. Monitoring calories can be a useful tool for weight loss because it helps create awareness and accountability for your daily energy intake. Determine your daily calorie needs. Calculate your basal metabolic rate (BMR) using an online calculator or consult with a healthcare professional. This will give you an estimate of how many calories your body needs to maintain its current weight. Set a calorie deficit. Hydration plays a crucial role in overall health and can support weight loss efforts. Remember, sustainable weight loss involves a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, adequate sleep, and overall healthy lifestyle habits. Adopting a healthy lifestyle can indeed contribute to weight loss, but it's important to approach it in a sustainable and balanced manner. Balanced and nutrient-dense diet. Regular physical activity. Engage in regular exercise to burn calories, increase your metabolism, and build lean muscle mass. A combination of cardiovascular exercises, such as jogging, cycling, or swimming, and strength training can be effective for weight loss. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods provide essential nutrients while keeping you fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Portion control. Pay attention to portion sizes to ensure you're not consuming excess calories. Consistency and patience. Losing weight in a healthy manner takes time. Focus on long-term sustainable changes rather than seeking quick fixes. Consistency with your healthy habits is key to achieving and maintaining weight loss. Remember, weight loss should be approached with a focus on overall health and well-being. There are also products available online that you can buy to achieve weight loss fast. See them in our description below. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow for more.